How is your day going so far? I'm Yevgen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Samsung appliances. The company received a service call to repair a Samsung dishwasher in the Little Italy area of Winnipeg. Description of the Samsung dishwasher model DW80K5050US malfunction. The dishwasher isn't opening the detergent door when washing dishes. Diagnostics. I carefully inspected the inside of the dishwasher and paid special attention to the detergent container. There is no damage or signs of wear. It closes easily by hand and opens easily when I press the opening button. I start the dishwasher. The water has filled up and the circulation pump turns on. But I hear that only the upper part is working, and only the upper impeller is rotating, as when the half-wash function is turned on, and the detergent container has not opened with the allotted time. Strange and atypical behavior of the dishwasher. I entered service mode and started the automatic test. After performing several test steps, the dishwasher shows an error code PC. Deciphering the error code PC. Zone wash function is not operating correctly. A faulty actuator or sensor, a malfunction main board, or poor contact can cause such a breakdown. The first thing I will do is check the integrity of the wiring from the detergent container to other dishwasher elements. I disassemble the door of the dishwasher and see that 3 wires go from the container, 1 black and 2 pink. After tracking them and reading them, I found that one of the pink wires had a break. The diagnostic stage is complete. Repair. The wire that has damage is pink and it connects the detergent container and the water supply valve located on the right side. I release the wiring harness from the protective plastic and insulation. Gotcha! In the place where there is a constant bend in the wires when opening and closing the dishwasher door, a break in the wire is visible. I restore the faulty section, check the continuity of the wiring with a multimeter and put the wiring in protective plastic and braid all the wires into a new harness, strengthening the protection of the wires at the bend. I assemble the dishwasher and start the automatic test cycle in service mode. Success! The service mode passed without failures and was completed without revealing any problems in the operation of the Samsung dishwasher. I installed the dishwasher into the cabinet and ran the normal wash cycle. All processes work correctly and the detergent container has opened. The dishwasher is in good working order and ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Samsung dishwasher or any other appliances, leave a comment, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.